Thank you for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths Clinic. Let's consider this question before us. We are asked to find the value of x if 3 power 5 root x equal 9 power x. First thing to do is to identify this question is from which topic. Of course, this is from indices. This is exponential equation. Let's write down the solution. We have 3 power 5 root x equal 9 power x. If we look at this critically, the base on the left is 3, the base on the right hand side is 9. We have to express this 9 to have the base of 3. That's 3 power 2 is the same as 9. So I can write this as 3 power 5 root x will now be equals to 3 power 2 into x. Very important. Recall from one of the laws of indices, if we have a power y equal a power x, it means x will be equals to y. If the bases are the same, we are free to equate the powers. So let's apply. The bases are the same, so let's equate the power. We'll have 5 root x equal 2 times x, that will be 2x. First thing to do here, let's try to isolate x one side and this 5 and 2 one side. To achieve that, let's divide both sides first by root x. Let's divide both sides by root x such that this will divide this. We're left with 5 equal 2x divided by root x. The next thing to do is to remove these 2. To remove these 2, we divide both sides by 2. We find the reciprocal of 2. So this will be, which is half. Divide both sides by 2. Such that these 2 will go. We're left with x divided by root x will be equals to 5 divided by 2. The next thing to do is to rationalize this. This is solved. So this will be x divided by root x multiplied by root x divided by root x will be equals to 5 divided by 2. Very important. Okay, let's move here. Recall from one of the laws of sort that if we have root a times root a is the same as a. So let's multiply x times root x. We'll have x root x divided by root x times root x is the same as saying root a times root a, which is a. That will now be x. What are we saying? Root x times root x will be x. And this is equals to 5 divided by 2. We can divide both sides. We can divide x by x. We'll be left with root x will now be equals to 5 divided by 2. To find this x, or to find x, to remove this square root, we square both sides. Let's square both sides at this point so that this will remove this, and x is said to be 5 squared is 25 divided by 2 squared is 4. So the value of x is 25 divided by 4, and this is improper fraction. So we can write this as 4 into 25 is 6. Remainder 1 divided by 4. So this is the value of x that will satisfy both the left hand side and the right hand side of this exponential equation. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to TJ's Maths Clinic for more interesting videos. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. See you in my next video.